So here I finally jumped the boot pin. Took a little longer, so I had to, because I had to remake the adapter to like this one. I don't know if I can show you. It's like 2 pins that I can just put and jump the pins together. So yeah, this worked. Now it's in DFU mode again. There, DFU mode. So I can select other firewire, but we'll do it not with this one. We'll do it with a normal Betaflight. So yeah, firmware updates. Again, Omnibus Nano, F7 Nano V7 seems to be the best one. But Omnibus F7 doesn't work at all. I cannot get connection. So, and the board originally came with F7. I saw it and it was working. The problem with the Nano V7, well, it was at least. Let's see now if it will be with the Air. So, okay, Nano, load firewire, flash. The problem with the Nano one before was that the MCU pinout was not. It was not proper, and I could not see data chip on it for black logging, black box logging, I should say. I could not assign correct pins for a transmitter to work, so things like that. We'll see if it works now, but I think Nano V7 Air B is the best one so far. So as you can see, unlike Legacy, this one is not working until I load the preset. So I reconnect, it's still red, but it gives me this choice, and once it's done, it starts to work, and the gyro is working as well. So this is a step up. So I don't remember the pinout, but I think it was UART4 was ESC if I'm not mistaken. Let me grab the paper and see. Yeah, this one. So, okay, ESC telemetry is TX2, not 4. So let's see if we get ESC telemetry, because before I was not able to get it. And smart port is TX4, so smart port, which is FBus I suppose, is this one. Save and reboot. Okay, I'll set it up quickly here. 8K, DShot 600, and we also need to change this to F port, FSK F port. Save and reboot, and I will get transmitter. So RSSI is here. It's connected to the TX. ESC sensor is on, bidirectional is on. But I don't get the input. And let's see, motors. Save this one. So I get 100% error. On TSC, yeah, I get the error on ESCs. And I cannot spin them. Yeah, I cannot spin them even though they are set up. Okay. Data Flash is available now, so let's try to onboard Flash. Yes, it was not there before. To Legbox. Let's set it to something. Where is it? Gyro scaled. Save and reboot. Erase. Yes, erase Data Flash. So it seems to be better because, okay, I can see 16 megabytes free now. It seems to be better, so I can try to work it out on the Air version of Nano V7. But F7, which is the original FireWire it came with, is not working. So yeah, and the second gyro, I don't know if I can get to work the second gyro on this FireWire. The F7 original, just like Omnibus F7, it does not work as I showed you. Should I cancel it? Okay, that's one. Alright, well I think it's okay. Still a little strange behavior on this side. Alright, it should be okay. Let's try to activate storage mode. Okay, I get it as a read-only file, and this is what's inside. November 8th, which is now, which is like actually maybe an hour is that okay. I think it's just wrong time on summertime maybe. Yeah, okay. So it's cleared. That's okay. Oh, and it's full again. Used space 16 megabytes. So I cannot erase, I guess. By the way, ESC telemetry, I just realized something. The battery was not on, so no wonder. So, okay, let's check ESC telemetry. I don't get the input, but I can try to troubleshoot this. So, okay, I don't get the temperature, but I think I get the other reading. Okay, so I can see the RPM. So I get the ESC telemetry. I might need to invert. Let's see. So smart port TX4. get serial. Serial. Serial half duplex, serial inverted, off. Okay. Let's try to turn this on. Sorry. Set save. Okay. No input. By the way, battery voltage. Let's see if we get this. I don't think we get it. Yeah, no battery voltage for some reason. This is Typhoon 32 V2.2. So I don't get ESC sensor, but I get telematics, judging by the RPM that we received here. But no temperature as well, actually. Normally I think I should see the temperature. So, okay. Question remains how to get no data flash found, by the way, look at this. Huh. Try to disable this. Actually, this was originally on, so. Data flash was gone. I cannot see data flash anymore. Is that after switching serial? Let's try to put it off again. Save. No. So, yeah, I don't see any more data chip. I reboot, plug out and plug back in. Ah, okay, the battery. No data chip found. I tried to reset settings. Oh. No data chip. Okay, interesting. Firmware. I'll try to flash again, but as I said, I was not able to get SmartPort, F-port to work on this with this FireWire version. Anyway, it's more difficult than it should be, really, and the recommended software is not working, so you don't have to watch it any further, but I'll try to troubleshoot it on video now. Okay. Ah, it's actually found it without rebooting, so no chip found, you see, and now if I apply, still no chip found. Here, I mean this one. Okay, that is interesting. to reboot it. No chip found. Let's see if accelerometer is working. Yeah, it's working. Ah, well, we can see over here, so. But no data chip found. Full chip erase was on, so I'm not sure. I'll try to flash it to legacy and then come back to all in one. Аушки. Бочонок. Что это? Сметана? No data chip found. But the accelerometer is working even. Huh, it was not working before, so I'm not sure. Why is it? I think some of the settings are preserved while flashing. Not sure. So yeah, okay. Should I try OmniNext F7? Perhaps. I'll try OmniNext. Yeah, let's do that. We cannot break it in theory. So let's see. I don't think I tried OmniNext before. Покажи маме. Flash successful. Reboot. LED is red, but I think we need to load the custom defaults. There we go. LED is blue. Blue but not so bright. And okay, now we don't see. Oh, okay. We do see. So OmniNext next 7, we can see it actually. Let's see gyros. Gyro is not working on this firewire. No gyro found, so yeah. So this one is not better. I'll try legacy one. Okay, should pop up. I think we might have a problem. The legacy version of OmniNext gave red and blue at the same time, which is the same result I get with a F7 F7 FireWire, exactly the same result. Maybe the problem is it was not, there is no legacy version, not like there is no ARB version for F7. Maybe this is the issue now, because this gave the same result as this one. Well, I tried to reboot and see if it is the same result. No, result is different. Sorry, after reboot it actually went red and blue, but blue is like slightly same as the Airbnb. Yeah, same as, so Airb and the legacy is the same. So I guess no, I think gyros are working. No, okay, because gyros are found. Yeah. Oh, 2 gyros are found. After switching, this went off. But did not come back, so, okay, well. So gyros are found, but they're not doing anything. Okay. Gyros are found, but they're not doing anything. I didn't save it actually. I'll use both. Save and reboot. Let's see. So again, nothing. Both. Let's try a second. So we found both of the gyros, but cannot work with them, I guess. Maybe because it expects other. Let's try status on this one. Status. So battery voltage not present. I2C 2 errors. RX loss. Okay. So gyro. This is what it says. Gyro fake, gyro fake. So it found both of the gyros, but it says both of the gyros are fake. Interesting. I don't think this is true or correct, so it doesn't matter. But that's why it's not working, but both of the gyros are found. Maybe it expects ICM to be on top and MCU to be on the board. MCU 6000. That's why it says this. But okay. Let's try other FireWire. Okay. We'll get back to this one. Well, I showed you already. Okay, let's this one. F7 Nano V7 again. Check all again, and then we'll try to flash F7 FireWire again. Okay. F7 Nano V7 AirB is loaded and needs reconnection. So. So no data flash chip found. Apply. It looks like data flash chip is still missing. So okay, gyros are working again. Gyro, I guess just one. Yeah, just one gyro is found. No second gyro found. Now this board I'm gonna show you. I showed you trying to flash to 4.1, but this board came with 3.56. So I'm gonna load that one and try to flash 3.56 F7. This is the software it came with, and it flashes successful again. So so can you try to update your F7 board with F7 firewire to version 4.1? I cannot get it to work, and F7 is the firewire that's supposed to be right. Okay, it's flashed and it's red. And we flashed it what? F7, the old F7. Okay, so it should have come up, but after reboot it became red and blue, bright blue, not like F7 V2. I know OmniNext F7. When blue goes like this and then it goes like subtle. And the board is offline. I cannot reach the board. Yeah, I cannot communicate with the board, so this is it. I need to jump the boot leads again. Please show me if, or tell me if you can get F7 board to accept F7 update, any of this, on Mac or Windows. Because for me it's not working on the Google Chrome app or on the beta site, Mac version or Windows version also not working.